Hello, this is the Batman. The Batman wants to wish you all happy holidays. And I say happy holidays because I'm pretty sure there might be some Jewish people who celebrate Hanukkah or Kwanzaa on my channel. And I'm not one to shy away from other religions. So I say happy holidays. I know this is kind of late to put out, seeing how this is in the nighttime, at least as I'm recording this, but the thing is that I hope you all enjoyed your time with your families, because I have no parents. So if you have parents, you should be thankful for that. But other than that, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and all that. And now I will sing. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. Batman, 'tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Batman, where's my camera?
Okay, I gotta go. Bye.